Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Change Your Life and F Cube series. I hope you're doing great. This is the fourth video of this series. In this video, we are going to run through with the day 2 of full body workout. I'm sure you must have started practicing our day 1 workout already. If not, find the link of day 1 along with the warm up in the description of this video. So let's get started with our day 2 full body workout. Our first exercise is lunges. First you need to get to a starting position of lunges. Now please note, ideally, if you have 2 by 2 tiles at home, then you must place your legs 2 tiles distance apart. That's a good reference point to start lunges. Start by taking a forward step, where you must pay attention that you do not go too far or remain too close. Going too far in step distance will give you only stretch than contraction. Being in this position, it requires a lot of core strength. Once you come to this posture of standing with 2 tiles distance apart, start movements of your rear leg's knee. You will move your knee up and down in straight line of your body, as close as possible to the ground, and then come back up. Breathe out when you come all the way up. At the end of the target repetitions, you must repeat same amount of repetition by switching other leg forward. Now for those who have just started working out or someone who is completely new, I would recommend start with basic form of lunges with supported lunges. For this, you need to stand and take support of door handle or wall corner and then perform similar way as lunges. Once you get the required strength and stability, you can perform the lunges more effectively. Our second variation is Namaskar. This is another greater form of exercise which helps you build strength and stamina. In yoga, we are very accustomed to a name Surya Namaskar. But here, we are going to be performing only pushing up part of Surya Namaskar. The starting position is same as push-ups, but in push-ups you go down and come back straight up. In this, you need to draw your chest in between your hands as close as possible to the floor and then take your upper body up as much as you can. Your lower body will remain down, close to the ground, and then you must lift your lower body up as much as you can. After taking your lower body up, look at your toes and breathe out. And repeat. For those who have just started working out or someone who is completely new, I would recommend start with basic form of Namaskar, where you come all the way up in same form of Namaskar. The only change is, in this form, while going down, we rest our entire body, starting with your knee resting down before your entire body. You must come down as slow as you can. In simple language, you must perform every repetition as your first repetition. It's fantastic for those who have not attempted any kind of physical activities before. Our third variation is shoulder push-ups. This exercise is to strengthen your arms and shoulders. In this, your starting position will be similar to push-up position. Your fingers are going to be spread. The only difference is that your palms are going to be slightly inverted and your thumb is going to be pointing towards your belly. The distance between your hands and feet also going to be much more shortened than push-up position. Before you start shoulder push-up, make sure you take your hips as high as you can. In this position, you must try to look at your own feet and then by bending your elbows, take your head down as much as you can. Make sure you keep your neck in line with your body all the time. Breathe out as you get back up in starting position and repeat. Now for those who have just started working out or someone who is completely new, I would recommend start with basic form that is knee rested shoulder push-ups. Similar starting position of shoulder push-ups. Only change is that in this your knees are going to be rested. We also call it 4-point position. In this position, by keeping your hips up, your head starts going all the way down in between your hands as close as possible to the floor. Then come back to a starting position and breathe out. Our fourth variation is leg raise. In this, you need to lie down on your back with your hands resting by your side. Keep your entire upper body along with your arms firm on the floor. Then take both of your legs up towards your upper body as high as you can. And then go down, but only halfway or little more than halfway back. And breathe out. For those who have just started working out or someone who is completely new, I would recommend start with basic form of leg raise, that is a knee raise. Lie down on your back, lift your leg up and form 90 degrees angle at your knee joint. This is your starting position. From this position, you must bring your bent leg towards your chest and then extend your leg only little more than halfway back or all the way back and breathe out. The target is to keep them off floor only. And repeat. Our fifth variation is plank. This is fantastic variation for core. In this, starting position is like push-up starting position. Only change is that you are going to be resting your elbows down just under your shoulders. And hold this posture for time. Normal breathing throughout the held posture. Again, for those who have just started working out or someone who is completely new, I would recommend start with basic form in which we modify the posture a little bit. Keep entire form same, just rest your knees down to make it a little easier to perform. Perform for time, normal breathing throughout the head posture. Our sixth variation is back extension. This is to strengthen your lower back. In this, you need to lie down on your stomach with your arms forming a closed W shape and your palms very close to your shoulder. This is your starting position. Now take your upper body as much up as you can and breathe out. Come down and repeat. Make sure your hands must remain off floor throughout the movements. Now for those who have just started working out or someone who is completely new, I would recommend start with basic form in which you can perform cobra pose with movements. Keep your hands besides your chest and then take your body up as much as you can and breathe out. Come down and repeat. This is how the workout looks like. It's quite simple and yet can give you awesome results. For beginners, please note, try to perform the basic form of exercises to start with. Perform as many reps as you possibly can. And initially, I recommend you to stop 1 or 2 reps before reaching failure of any exercises. This will help you prevent any unwanted injury. In progression and safety, always remember, safety must always be your first choice. Progression would naturally come with practice. Once we finish with the workout, we must perform the cool down stretches. I'm sure you must have seen the video already. If not, you can find the link in the description. I urge you to never skip your warm up or cool down. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. This is a very special video for us because we are dedicating to all these special mothers and the kind of contribution they have in our life, which is we really can't explain in the words. And this is our bit to do something for them, to make them more healthy and more fit to cope up with the task, Herculean task I must say, they do throughout the day for us. So if you really like the stuff which we are making, we really want you to like, subscribe and share, and we also want you to pour in some comments when which you can also tell us some suggestion about where we can improve, and you can also ask me if you want me to make a video on any particular topic which you've been wanting for a long time. So again, if you haven't yet pressed the bell icon, that's very important, because then only you will be notified for upcoming videos. Thanks once again. Have a great day.